Damn zombies in the garage again. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Alright. This next project's going to be a little different. I'm going to do a semi-automated axe throwing target that will come at you like something's walking towards you. And the plan is to take this tiny little mini projector and project the image of a zombie or some other kind of target up onto the wood, so you get the kind of apocalypse training axe throwing target. And here's my CAD drawing, and I mean CAD Chuck assisted drawing, or Chuck attempted drawing is probably better. You see the idea. We're gonna project the image zombie here with a projector. I got a big battery pack and just basically a rolling cart with a winch control system. Should be pretty fun. Big thanks to the Axe House in Northport, Florida for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for some fun, maybe some friendly competition, or a test of skill, head on to the Axe House. They got everything you want. If you happen to be a military veteran, they got a big discount for us. Now, back to the build. Time will talk, so I sold my soul. And so down I go along the weary path. Should be able to control the drill remotely. Most excellent. Down I go, South Town's calling me home. Down I go, down I go, yeah. Lord, I'm out of time. And where were you when I needed a sign? Lord, regrets of mine. I signed in blood on a dotted line. And so down I go along the weary path. About the speed of a zombie. You're ready, sir. Oh, wait, it's you. Oh, miss. Oh, miss. Oh, got it. Ah! Here comes Mike. Go ahead. Better hurry. I'm gonna get you. All right. All right. And axe delivery mode.
All right, ready? Let's ride. Bam.
Lower speed. Reverse direction. Speed it up a bit.
Lord, now don't you know I didn't hear from you, so now I'm down at the crossroad. Lord, I told you so. Time will talk, so I sold my soul.
I have changed this vertical keystone to a horizontal keystone so that when I'm running the projector on its ass, it can correct the image so we can put the zombie like this as it's coming towards you, and we don't have to deal with its head being gigantic and its feet being tiny. It's about... Project's going really well. Hey! What's going on? This is it. It's a zombie axe throwing target. It's a projector. There you go.
It's a projector and a motorized target. We're gonna.
Not that good of a shot.
In the garage.